Okay, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at XRP here, as you can see. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Takes you like 5 seconds and I'd really appreciate it. And with that being said, we'll take a quick look at the charts for today. You can see here XRP currently having a bit of a retracement after, essentially coming up and touching the top of this range yet again. You can see here we've got this bear market resistance overall that did come up and get touched as well. But really XRP, you can see very clearly on the chart here, we kind of formed a range here where we did basically come up, form the top and the bottom, support, coming back down, pretty much testing support here again. We run all the way up to resistance, smash through it into straight up into a resistance here. This first bear market resistance, you can see here resistance, and then obviously with the FTX collapse in November, big wick, big candle to the downside all the way back into the previous range, as you can see quite clearly here. Support, and then again breaking out of that bear market resistance at resistance here, but actually getting the breakout, back test, and then continuation. Resistance here followed by the overextension to the top of that previous high again, forming a little bit of a range here. You can see resistance, support, and then we did get that collapse. And you can see here again, resistance, and then came back to support here again. I did think we were probably going to get a bounce here to retest resistance, but with Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish and everyone feeling a little bit bearish in the market, so you can see XRP here did come down. It lost that upper range low, didn't it? Which was at this level here, in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci level as well. The Fibonacci pulled from the previous bull market high down to this current bear market low. And you can see here quite clearly, we did come down, close below this, get the wick all the way down here to this previous area of structure here, which happens to be, basically you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 coming for that deep retracement into this previous swing high. As you can see, the breakout back test here, and now this is coming back down to retest again to see whether or not we'll bounce in this area. So it's pretty interesting to see what's happening with XRP today. I mean, you could argue, just like pretty much every crypto since the start of the year, we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4 movement to the upside, and really we are just waiting for that fifth wave to the upside to see what we can do. If we look at Bitcoin, it's looking fairly similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, although it hasn't got that deep retracement to the previous swing high yet. But right now looking like it's, trying to tackle that 0.38 Fibonacci level here of that Fibonacci pulled from the previous high to the current low. This bull market, bear market scenario here. And now we are just waiting for, basically XRP is fairly correlated to Bitcoin's price action right now, waiting for that next move in the markets. But I do think, XRP at least here is probably going to come back up, retest this level here at 0.23 Fibonacci with a bounce off this previous level. The swing high here turned into resistance into support. Lots of wick rejections of that low as well. Indecision candles here and getting down towards an oversold market right now. You can see the last few times that we got down to these levels, we did get a bounce here and a bounce here, and now probably going to get a bounce here at least back up into this area, in my opinion, from what I can see on the charts. And judging by how, Bitcoin's chilling right now, I do think it's probably going to, when everyone's feeling so bearish, it's probably going to do the opposite and be bullish. And if that's the case, XRP will get dragged to the upside as well. So that is really it for today, guys. That is my analysis. I do think that, I'm in a long position here. As you can see, I'm currently in drawdown. But I do think XRP, as you can see, it's rejecting the low quite nicely here. So I'm tempted to wait and see if this comes back up into profit, at least to retest some of these levels up here, at least this area, or maybe even this area. We'll wait and see what happens next, but that is it for today, guys. So as I said before, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.